I'll show you how to download, install, and open StartAllBack in your Windows computer. First, open your web browser and search StartAllBack Download. Now, open the result with the StartAllBack.com URL. Scroll down and click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Choose whether you want to install it for all users or for only this user. Now, Windows Explorer will restart. If you see an error, just click OK. And that's it. You can now see StartAllBack active on your Windows. To open its settings for customization, go to the Start menu and open Control Panel. Click on Category at the top right and select Large Icons. Here you'll find StartAllBack. Open it and start customizing your taskbar and Start menu. If you also want to know how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11, check out my video on that. Don't miss it.